Let's start with isolation. Isolation is third concept on which modern synthetic theory is based. How to define isolation? Isolation is separation of the population of a particular species into smaller units which prevent interbreeding between them. So these are small units which never undergo interbreeding. That's why interbreeding get prevented. Some barriers which prevent gene flow or exchange of genes between isolated population is called isolating mechanism. So what is isolating mechanism? Barriers which prevent gene flow or exchange of जीन्स एका पॉप्युलेशनमधून दुसऱ्या पॉप्युलेशनमध्ये जाणं हे इनिबिट होतं, प्रिव्हेंट होतं बिटवीन आयसोलेटेड पॉप्युलेशन इज कॉल्ड आयसोलेटिंग मेकॅनिझम. Number of isolating mechanisms are operated in nature responsible for divergence. Divergence meaning different organisms they differ from each other, that is divergence. And speciation. Speciation meaning formation of new species. Now these isolating mechanisms are of two types. Which are that two types of isolating mechanism? That first one is geographical isolation and second one reproductive isolation. As name indicate, geographical, it is because of geographical or physical conditions of area, we call it a geographical isolation. And reproductive isolation meaning it is a isolation due to difference in gamete formation or special condition responsible for fertilization, development of embryo, etc. That first one, geographical isolation. So it is also known by term physical isolation. Geographical barriers are responsible for geographical isolation. What is role of this barrier? Barrier prevent interbreeding between isolated population. बॅरियर असल्यामुळे फॉर एक्झाम्पल व्हॅली असते किंवा ओशियन असतो, ज्यामुळे दोन वेगवेगळी पॉप्युलेशन ब्रीडिंग करू शकत नाही. सो दीज आर बॅरियर्स प्रिव्हेंट इंटरब्रीडिंग बिटवीन आयसोलेटेड ग्रुप्स. देन आफ्टर isolated or separated population develop distinct gene pool and do not interbreed. जीन पूल डेफिनाईट असल्यामुळे ह्यांच्यामध्ये इंटरब्रीडिंग होत नाही. And hence or thus new species have been formed. So organism having only typical genes, they give rise to new species. Example is of Darwin's finches. These are types of birds given the name as Darwin's finches. So that is regarding first type of what we call isolation, geographical isolation. Then second one, reproductive isolation. I have told you its meaning. So why there is a reproductive isolation? It occurs due to change in genetic material, gene pool. So when genetic material changes, it is responsible for isolation, separation of that organism from other population. Then structure of genital organ. So genital organ meaning reproductive organs, they are compatible to the other sex, or both sexes they are having compatible genital organs, otherwise reproduction fails. Then it prevents interbreeding between population. So if genital organs are not compatible, there is no interbreeding and hence no reproduction. That is reproductive isolation. Now reproductive isolation is of two types, as first one, pre-mating or pre-zygotic isolating mechanism. Pre-mating म्हणजे मेटिंग किंवा ब्रीडिंग होण्यापूर्वीचं आयसोलेशन, त्याला म्हणायचं प्रीमेटिंग और प्री झायगोटिक, झायगोट तयार होण्यापूर्वीचं. अँड सेकंड वन, पोस्ट मेटिंग और पोस्ट झायगोटिक आयसोलेटिंग मेकॅनिझम. फर्टिलायझेशन नंतर झायगोट तयार होत असताना काही मेकॅनिझम ऑपरेट होतात ज्यामुळे रिप्रोडक्शन फेल्स. सो दीज आर बेसिक टाइप्स ऑफ आयसोलेटिंग मेकॅनिझम ॲज geographical isolation and reproductive isolation. Just we have seen reproductive isolation is of two type, pre-mating or pre-zygotic isolating mechanism, and second one post-mating or post-zygotic isolating mechanism. So pre-mating, as name indicate, before mating, it prevents fertilization and zygote formation, and hence there is no reproduction. Now pre-mating or pre-mating pre-zygotic isolating mechanism is of four different types, as habitat isolation or ecological isolation. Then second one seasonal or temporal isolation. Third one ethological isolation, and fourth one mechanical isolation. We study these four types in detail. In that first one, habitat isolation or ecological isolation. Members of population living in same geographic region but occupy separate habitats so that potential mates do not meet. पॉप्युलेशन आहे हे एकाच ठिकाणी राहत असतं, पण हॅबिटॅट आहे ते वेगवेगळे असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल काही ॲक्वॅटिक असतील किंवा काही टेरेस्ट्रियल असतील किंवा काही एरियल असतील, आणि त्यामुळे कॉम्पॅटिबल मेट मिळत नाही, अँड हेन्स रिप्रोडक्शन फेल्स. Then second one is seasonal or temporal isolation. What happens during this seasonal or temporal isolation? Members of population living in same geographic region but sexually mature at different years or different times of year. जसं आपण यापूर्वी रिप्रोडक्शन इन लोअर अँड हायर प्लांटमध्ये डायकोगॅमी केले, प्रोटँड्री, प्रोटोगायनी, अँड्रोइशम, गायनोइशम, जे मेल आणि फिमेल स्ट्रक्चर वेगवेगळ्या वेळेला मॅच्युअर होतात. दॅट इज सीझनल ऑर टेम्पोरल आयसोलेशन. देन थर्ड इथॉलॉजिकल आयसोलेशन. In case of ethological isolation, due to specific mating behavior, the members of population do not mate. So, members who knows about mating behavior, they only undergo reproduction. Otherwise, reproduction fails. And fourth one, mechanical isolation. In mechanical isolation, members of two population have difference in structure of reproductive organs, meaning reproductive organs are not compatible and hence there is no mating. As a result, reproduction fails. So these are four different types of pre-mating or pre-zygotic isolating mechanism. Then study second type, what we call post-mating. Here it is a post-mating or post-zygotic isolating mechanism which occur by three different types, as gamete mortality, zygote mortality, and hybrid sterility. In that first one, that is gamete mortality. Mortality meaning death. Gamete undergo death. Gametes do not survive. So gametes have limited lifespan due to one or other reason. If union of two gametes does not occur in a given time, then gamete mortality occur. Gamete undergo what we call death. They remain non-functional. Similarly, second is zygote mortality. Here, egg is fertilized, zygote is produced, but zygote dies due to one or other reason. झायगोट तयार होतो, फर्टिलायझेशन होतं, पण झायगोटची फर्दर डेव्हलपमेंट होत नाही. झायगोट अंडरगो डेथ, दॅट इज झायगोट मोर्टॅलिटी. अँड थर्ड वन हायब्रिड स्टरिलिटी. वी नो हायब्रिड्स आर प्रोड्यूस आर्टिफिशियली बाय टेक्निक ऑफ हायब्रिडायझेशन. सो हायब्रिड्स डेव्हलप to maturity but becomes sterile due to failure of proper gametogenesis, meaning meiosis fails. Example, मूल मराठीत म्हणतो खेचर, is an intergenic hybrid which is sterile. मूल आहे हे, मूल म्हणजे खेचर म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये, हे गाढव आणि घोडा यांच्या हायब्रिडायझेशनमधून तयार झालेलं आहे, which never reproduce, that is it is a sterile individual. So these are three different types of post mating or post zygotic isolating mechanism. जी या ठिकाणी काय आहे तर फर्टिलायझेशन होतं, पण काही वेळेला गॅमेट आहेत हे मोर्टाईल हे नॉन फंक्शनल असतात किंवा झायगोटची फर्दर डेव्हलपमेंट होत नाही किंवा हायब्रिड आहे त्यांच्यामध्ये मिऑसिस होत नाही, गॅमेटोजेनेसिस फेल अँड हेन्स रिप्रोडक्शन फेल्स. ओके, दॅट इज रिगार्डिंग व्हॉट वी कॉल्ड आयसोलेटिंग मेकॅनिझम. सो प्रिपेअर धिस पार्ट ॲज फार ॲज बोर्ड एक्झाम इज कन्सर्न. ओके.